Creating interactive data visualizations with Plotly and Dash. Python libraries allow you to effortlessly build interactive charts, graphs, and dashboards for data analysis, visualization, and presentation. In this video, we will explore how you can leverage Plotly and Dash to create visually appealing and engaging data visualizations that will impress your audience. What is Plotly? Plotly is a data visualization library that allows you to create interactive plots, charts, and graphs. It provides a wide range of chart types, including scatter plots, bar charts, line charts, and more. What is Dash? Dash is a web application framework that allows you to build interactive web applications with Plotly visualizations. Dash, you can create dynamic dashboards that update in real time based on user input. Getting started with Plotly and Dash. To get started with Plotly and Dash, you first need to install the libraries in your Python environment. You can do this using pip, the Python package manager. Once you have installed Plotly and Dash, you can start creating interactive data visualizations. Conclusion. In conclusion, Plotly and Dash are powerful tools for creating interactive data visualizations for web applications, dashboards, and presentations. By leveraging the capabilities of Plotly and Dash, you can create stunning and interactive charts, graphs, and dashboards that will impress your audience and provide valuable insights.